Airline policies are constantly changing, and 2025 is bringing some major updates to carry-on rules that could affect your next flight. From stricter size limits to new security regulations, these changes could determine what you can and cannot bring on board. If you're not aware of these new rules, you might end up paying unexpected fees or even having your items confiscated at security. To make sure you're fully prepared for your next trip, here are the new carry-on rules you need to know in 2025. And before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for the latest travel tips and updates. Number 1. Stricter size and weight limits. In 2025, airlines worldwide are cracking down on carry-on size and weight restrictions. Many budget airlines have already been reducing the allowed dimensions, and now even major carriers are following suit to make overhead bin space more manageable. Previously, most airlines allowed carry-on bags measuring 22 by 14 by 9 inches, but some are now enforcing smaller size limits of 21 by 13 by 7 inches to ensure that all passengers can fit their luggage in overhead bins. In addition to that, weight restrictions are becoming more strict. Airlines like United, Delta, and British Airways are now checking bag weights at the gate, with new limits ranging from 15 to 22 pounds, which means if your bag is overweight, you might be forced to check it in for an extra fee. To avoid last-minute surprises, always check your airline's updated carry-on policies before flying, and consider using a portable luggage scale to ensure your bag meets the new weight limits. Number 2. Liquid restrictions are changing. For years, air travelers have had to follow the 3-1-1 liquid rule, limiting liquid containers to 3.4 ounces per item, all fitting inside one quart-sized bag. But in 2025, some airports are beginning to phase out this rule thanks to the introduction of new CT scanners at security checkpoints. Airports in countries like the UK, EU nations, and some major US airports are starting to allow passengers to bring larger liquid containers, as these advanced scanners can analyze liquids inside bags without requiring them to be removed. However, not all airports have this technology yet, which means you might still need to follow the traditional liquid restrictions depending on where you fly from. The safest option? Check the security rules of each airport you'll be passing through, especially if you have a layover in a different country. Just because a rule has changed in one airport doesn't mean it applies everywhere yet. Number 3. Personal items are now being enforced more strictly. Many travelers try to bring a full-size carry-on and a larger personal item, but in 2025, airlines are getting much stricter about enforcing the personal item policy. Personal items must now fit completely under the seat in front of you. If they don't, you may be forced to check your carry-on bag at the gate for a fee. Some airlines, especially low-cost carriers like Spirit, Ryanair, and Frontier, are now charging for any additional bag beyond a single personal item. If your personal item is larger than a small backpack, handbag, or laptop case, you could end up paying an extra fee just to bring it on board. To avoid problems, make sure your personal item is within the standard size limit of 18 by 14 by 8 inches and can fit completely under the seat. If your bag is bigger than that, you may be forced to check it. Number 4. New rules for duty-free liquids. In 2025, passengers who purchase liquids at duty-free shops need to be extra careful when carrying them through multiple flights. In the past, duty-free items were usually sealed in tamper-proof bags and allowed on connecting flights. But now, some countries are tightening restrictions, meaning that even sealed duty-free liquids may not be allowed through additional security screenings during layovers. For example, if you're flying from Europe to the US with a layover in Canada, you might not be able to take your duty-free alcohol or perfume through the second security check. This could mean losing your purchase entirely if you're not aware of the updated rules. To avoid losing expensive duty-free items, always check the security rules of every airport you'll be passing through. If you're unsure, it's safer to buy liquids at your final destination instead of during a layover. Number 5. Electronic device rules are getting stricter. With security concerns rising, many airlines and airports are tightening rules on electronic devices. In some cases, passengers may be required to power on their laptops, tablets, and even smartphones at security checkpoints to prove that they're working properly. Additionally, external battery packs and power banks must now meet specific watt-hour DH limits to be allowed on board. Most airlines permit power banks up to 100 watt-hours, but anything over 160 watt-hours is strictly banned and may be confiscated. If you're traveling with electronic devices, make sure they are fully charged before reaching security. A dead battery could lead to delays or even having your device held for additional screening. And if you're carrying a power bank, check its watt-hour rating to make sure it complies with airline regulations. Number 6. Stricter rules on smart luggage. Smart luggage has become incredibly popular, offering built-in GPS tracking, USB charging ports, and even motorized wheels. But in 2025, airlines are tightening restrictions on these high-tech bags, especially regarding their lithium-ion batteries. Many airlines are now requiring all smart luggage batteries to be removable, and if your bag has a non-removable battery, it won't be allowed on board, either as a carry-on or checked baggage. Some airlines also have specific power limits for smart luggage batteries. The general rule is that batteries must be under 100 watt-hours to be carried in the cabin. If your battery exceeds this, you might need special airline approval, or you could be asked to remove it before boarding. Before your trip, always check your airline's latest policies on smart luggage. If your bag's battery isn't removable, you may have no choice but to leave it at home or buy a new one that complies with airline rules. Number 7. New restrictions on certain food items. Bringing snacks on a flight seems like a simple choice, but in 2025, some airlines and airports are tightening restrictions on what types of food you can bring in your carry-on. Certain fresh foods, including fruits, vegetables, dairy products, and meats, are now being more heavily scrutinized due to biosecurity regulations in different countries. For example, if you're flying to Australia, New Zealand, or the US, you may be required to declare any food items at customs, and failing to do so could result in heavy fines or confiscation. Even seemingly harmless snacks like homemade sandwiches or fresh fruit might be banned from international flights depending on the destination. Additionally, some airports now require liquid or gel-based foods like yogurt, hummus, and peanut butter to follow the same 3.4-ounce liquid rule. If your food doesn't meet the criteria, you may be forced to throw it away before boarding. To avoid problems, always check your destination's customs and airport security guidelines before bringing any food in your carry-on. Number 8. New security screening technology that affects packing. In 2025, airports around the world are introducing new security screening technology that could change how you pack your carry-on. The introduction of computed tomography, CT scanners in many major airports, means that in some locations, passengers will no longer need to remove electronics and liquids from their bags during security checks. This is great news for travelers as it reduces long security lines and makes the process faster and more efficient. However, not all airports have fully implemented these scanners yet. This means that, depending on your departure and transit airports, you might still need to remove your laptop, tablet, and liquids at some security checkpoints. To avoid confusion, it's best to pack your carry-on in an organized manner, placing your electronics and liquids in easily accessible spots in case you still need to remove them. Also, check whether your departure airport has adopted the new scanners or if you'll still have to follow traditional screening procedures. Number 9. Banned items you didn't expect. While most travelers know that items like knives, scissors, and certain liquids aren't allowed in carry-on luggage, there are some surprising items that are now being banned on flights in 2025. Some of these might be in your bag without you even realizing they're prohibited. For example, certain strong magnets, metal cutlery, and even souvenir snow globes are being confiscated more frequently at security checkpoints. Additionally, some airlines are now restricting the use of high-powered vape batteries and e-cigarettes, even in carry-on bags, due to fire safety concerns. Another unexpected ban is on certain types of compressed gas canisters, including small CO2 cartridges used for bicycle tire inflators or soda-making machines. If you carry these in your bag without prior approval, security might confiscate them immediately. Before packing your carry-on, always check the latest prohibited item lists from your airline and the TSA, or the equivalent authority in your country. You don't want to lose valuable items at security just because you weren't aware of a rule change. Number 10. Cabin bag fees are becoming more common. Many travelers assume that carry-on bags are free, but in 2025, more airlines, especially budget carriers, are introducing extra fees for carry-on luggage, even for standard roller bags that fit in the overhead bin. Low-cost airlines like Spirit, Ryanair, and Wizz Air have already been charging fees for carry-ons. But now, even some full-service airlines are following this trend. This means that even if you book a basic economy ticket on a major airline, your carry-on bag might not be included for free anymore. Some airlines are also starting to charge passengers for priority boarding if they want to ensure their carry-on fits in the overhead bin. This means that if you board last, you might be forced to check your bag at the gate, even if it meets size requirements, and you might have to pay for it. To avoid these new fees, always check what's included in your ticket fare before you book. If carry-on baggage isn't free, it may be worth upgrading to a higher fare class to avoid surprise costs at the airport. Air travel is always evolving, and these new carry-on rules you need to know in 2025 could make a big difference in how you pack for your next flight. Whether it's stricter security screenings, new baggage fees, or unexpected item bans, being informed can save you time, money, and stress at the airport. What do you think about these changes? Have you ever run into trouble with carry-on restrictions? Share your experience in the comments, and before you go, make sure to subscribe for more essential travel updates, packing tips, and insider hacks to make your next trip smoother and stress-free. Safe travels.